What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're gonna go out snow machining towards this place called Squirrel Flats. Might get a little bit rowdy. Let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. We're gonna go snow machining today. I'm gonna go down to the gas station and meet Max and Steve, and we're gonna go up Squirrel Flats, which is not too far from Girdwood. Steve found a new way up the mountain to this Forest Service cabin that's supposed to be pretty cool. Might be a little bit rowdy though, so let's go. There's Max turning around. He just brought me a third brake light for the truck. See if that'll fix my transmission. It's all tied in. Anyway, get the sleds on. Let's go. Okay, we're rolling. We're gonna meet Max and Steve up here and be on our way. Maximus, there he is. All right, we out of here, going south. There's a really crazy storm happening right now. We're driving right into the heart of it, right down into Portage, right down there. Should be good. You can check out all the icebergs out there. This is all turning an arm, so we're basically going just to the end of turning an arm down here. We're gonna try to climb up the mountains to the Spencer Bench cabin, but you can see how the mountains look today. Pretty low clouds, so we will see. Maybe we'll get lucky though. Way too short. So you're thinking about going around the backside, Steve? Or
yeah, we're going to go around the backside. We're not going to go up the traditional one because that's all above tree line and everything.
Yeah.
You won't be able to see. This other way, you go up this ravine, up through the trees, and then you kind of hug the side of the trees all the way up to the bench cabin.
Right.
There's a few sections where you're up in an open area, but... Yeah.
Getting up into the hills, into the woods. And the ceiling's actually really high today. You can see like the peaks almost, or across from us. There's your bouncer trench hole.
Softer to carve it. It should be softer the higher we get. Oh yeah, yeah.
Max just blasted me. Holy. All right, gonna do this kind of sketchier hill up here. All this stuff probably looks really mellow, but these are all benches and you have to stop at the bottom of the bench or you hit the trees. So when we're coming down this, you get the picture. There's Max. Woo. He's up it though.
You got a copy?
Yeah, I got a copy.
When you get up here, there's not really a landing, and we're just kind of like stopped into a side hill that we would have to side hill for a ways farther, looks like.
Side hill, you go off to the right or to the left?
Right, but it's like, man, there's nowhere flat. It's like instantly you got to stop your sled in a side hill. Steve's trying to get around this tree here to see if he can put a trail up farther, so I just hold off for a second.
It looks like it's easier just to stay way off to the right and come up the whole thing in one long run.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know.
I mean, if you guys are going to the right now, I mean, we could have just stayed straight up almost all the way up, it looks like.
Steve's coming down over to the right.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we need to be over there, it looks like. I guess this is part of the mission, finding the way up.
Yeah, it's just definitely getting a little sketchy up here.
Yeah, big thing we get to watch is snow conditions too. They're definitely like, they're not chill right now, so.
That too, man. It's like wet and crusty up here and not really fluffy. I don't know.
We can always go load up and go to Turnigan. Go get in that pal.
I'm going to come back down there and we'll discuss it, all right?
All right. He's going to come down
It
here.
wasn't too bad. I don't think I'll have trouble coming down.
Okay. Oh, he is coming up. Coming down that one.
That's a lot more direct.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Missed most of the side hill.
Yep.
And especially if you went down and just came straight up.
What'd you think?
I don't know. It seems a little sketchy up there to me.
Oh, crusty. Yeah.
Wet and heavy. You got to do like a side hill and then you come out of it, which is doable. But
Yeah.
that part gets you past a lot of the side hill right there. Yeah. Yeah, that would be better.
Yeah, but then you still have to stop at the bottom of this thing because the trees too, I guess. So, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna cry if we don't make it up there at all. All right, we just got back down the mountain up there. Not too bad. Definitely high consequence. If you miss one of those benches, you're going off into the trees. Hey, did you find that secondary, or did you rebuild that one?
I rebuilt this one.
Nice. All right, change of plans. We're here, Turnigan. We're gonna mess around here. Tempting.
I know.
It's all clearing up. It's so tempting.
I know. It's like, ooh, it's popping. Man, but I mean, look over there. It just takes a second and then you're... That's what I'm saying. Like, it suckers you in. It sucks so bad being up there when it sucked, dude. I know. Last time I went up there, I got right to the top and you couldn't see anything. I was like, nope.
I think it'd be sketchy dropping in the bowls today too with all the Abby.
Yeah,
or like all the back bowls. Steve-O working that 175 side hill. Pretty good. That long track keeps it from washing out. Oh yeah. You gonna hop on this?
Yeah. It does feel really low.
What's up?
It feels really low.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like
Rip my thing right out. I
God.
see how you are. Wow. I don't need a kill switch, it's cool.
No? There you go.
There's fresh Abby right there. Yeah, it doesn't look like too much today. Where it's flowing into is a little better. Or like right down here. Dude, on the way in, did you see me pull that knob?
Hold on!
I was like right about the bail and then the bumper hit.
Hey, you'd fall like 20 feet if you fell off the back of that thing. Feel weird?
I can see why you wouldn't want to be on that steep. This thing feels funny.
Yeah, it's different. I definitely got to change the skis are just too wide up front. They're like,
so I think it seems super narrow.
no, oh, it is, but like the skis
the
are,
ski itself.
yeah, the skis are super wide. So I'm gonna put some like Polaris grippers on there so they're all narrow and
Yeah,
it
it
sits
felt
on.
fairly planted, but it also is pretty easy to carve too.
Yeah.
Although, same thing like you said, I just about fell off the back of the seat.
Oh yeah.
That would take some getting used to, like learning where to plant.
Oh yeah.
A different breed.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for being, I mean, it's a ski-doo technically, but it's not, you know, so it's,
Yeah.
all right, if you jump on like steep sled, it feels like totally different too than this thing. All right, we're back in the parking lot. Everything's all loaded up. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to maybe smash the like button right down there and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the content. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.